just in a little anchorage. We've got the tide against us right now.
This is Little Horseshoe Bay. I don't know if there's a big Horseshoe Bay somewhere. Anyway, Little Horseshoe Bay, just down from Oban. So it's a couple of miles down. We moved early this morning and we've just anchored here, waiting for the tide. Whoops, that's really slippery. Didn't mean to do that. How embarrassing. Being overtaken by...
We've been overtaken by, it looks like a 28 to 30 foot dragonfly. Modern technology, opposed to 200-year-old technology.
Bit of tide with us here.
You forget all the horrible, shitty, wet, no wind weather. You get this and it makes you feel, I'm alive. Thank you very much.
This is especially for Annie to show you this gimbal cooker in action. Here we are. We're sailing. This is the view through the port side porthole, and this is the starboard side.
We've had a really good sail. We've got about a 4. We've got full sail. Steph driving. We're approaching Lowlandmans Bay, Jura. It looks a pretty safe anchorage, protecting us from the west.
We've just anchored at Lowlandmans Bay and we're unwrapping the dinghy, which Sam's going to pump up. May's all excited.
Years ago, with a load of people, Wayfarer dinghy sailing, you could have a free push bike. And so I went to the reception and saw this lady, young girl, early 20s. I says, yeah, my name. She says, yeah, I've got you a bike. Follow me. I says, where do I get the pimp from? And she said, the pimp? And I wet myself. I says, say that again. She said, what? I said, the pimp. She says, what's a pimp? I said, have you never watched the Pink Panther? She said, I've never heard of the Pink Panther. I said, oh, that's the first and only time it's ever worked for the pimp.
No. You have to wait for us, May.
We left Lowlandmans Bay on Jura about 5 o'clock this morning, caught the tide down to Islay, which is over there. We anchored off there for 4 hours waiting for the tide to take us down to Northern Ireland. We go on about the tide, but it's really important. If you've got down here, for instance, in certain parts, it's running this time of the month between 2.5 knots with us, as opposed to 2.5 knots against us. Our average hull speed is 5 knots.
5 nautical miles.
5 nautical miles an hour, which is just under 6 miles an hour, statute miles an hour. But we say keep it simple. We just call it knots. You all know it.
Sam can sleep absolutely anywhere. Must run in the family.
You have a good.
No, I don't want to talk.
I don't want to talk either.
You do know it's recording all this.
We've sailed from an anchorage on Islay to Marina Glenarm. We're heading into some doesn't look particularly nice weather, does it?
It looks nice from where the camera is.
Yeah. Where you're seeing is
the nice
lovely.
bit, but
over
behind
that. Why would you want to go over there? Well, so now you can see what it's looking like in front, and that's where we're going, right into all that rain and horribleness. So we've decided to go into a marina. There's a marina in here, that's our destination. We've booked a spot, and so we can have a, it's been best part of 2 weeks. We've been at anchor for, so we did a shower for 10 days.
We when we anchored.
Oh yeah, but when we anchor, when we were anchoring in Tobermory, we still went and used the facilities. So it's not been quite 2 weeks.
We're not that stinky.
More like 4 days, which is plenty. Yeah. Even the flies are leaving the cabin.
There are washing facilities on board.
Yeah, we have got a shower, but it's in a bucket. And it's very primitive. So some people think it's lovely, others, yeah. We've earned a shower and a meal. A hot meal.
We're going out.
I think so. I think so. Mind you, if we can't afford it, you can always watch me through the window. Like the little match girl. Like that. Alright, yummy, yummy. I'll save you a few bits.
May and I will both be there.
Yeah.
I hope you feel bad.
I'll feel really terrible, says he, burping with a great big full belly.
Yeah, that's because you're good at that.
No.